Hey, Mac Lackey, serial entrepreneur, founder of Exit DNA and the Phoenix, and I want to talk a little bit about scale. As entrepreneurs, the single biggest thing I hear about, the biggest question I get inside the Phoenix is, how do I scale my company? How do I scale my marketing? I've got some things that are working, but I'm trying to take them to another level. So I took some of the questions that I asked myself and that I challenged my team with over the last 25 years as a scale founder, someone that took companies and turned up the volume. And these are the kind of questions that if you ask yourself, you challenge yourself and your team, you're going to find that scale in your business. It's something that we work on inside the Phoenix almost every day with the founders and entrepreneurs in our group is, what are those hidden gems? Where's the leverage? And so I want to share this simple exercise with you that I call the 10x multiplier, and it's free. But it's just a series of questions that if you ask yourself, I think you're going to find the scale that you need in your business. And of course, if you're really interested in hitting the next level of scale in your business and in your life, join us in the Phoenix, because that's what we're doing every day. You'll see a link below to check out a $1 trial, no strings attached, so it's an easy decision for you. But either way, take this 10x multiplier and scale your business and your life.